It's well known that newer homes are more energy efficient than older ones. For example, one of our new homes could save you up to £1,350 annually compared to a Victorian property. But did you know that there are different new homes that can save you more money than others? From energy bills to square footage, it turns out that three-storey homes can be more cost effective than their two-floor counterparts. In this video, we will take you through all of the ways a three-storey home can save you money. With an additional floor comes more space for activities. A three-storey home can have more space than a two-storey home, which can be used for multiple ways to save or even make you money. Consider how much your gym subscription costs per month, £30, £40. Using the available space in your three-storey home, you could create an at-home gym and save on that monthly subscription cost and avoid petrol costs too. The same can be said for hobbies such as pottery, arts and crafts and yoga. Cancel that payment plan and save money by using your own space at home. With the cost of living affecting us all, it's no surprise that we are looking for ways to bring down our energy bills. Surprisingly, three-storey homes can help with this, as they are considered to be more energy efficient than two-storey homes or bungalows. This is because the shared walls make the home more economical to heat, which helps keep your energy bills in check whilst also being kind to the planet. With a three-storey home, you're in for a great deal. With a similar footprint to two-storey homes, three-storey homes offer an entire extra floor of living space. This means you may have access to more internal square footage than a two-storey equivalent, providing excellent value for money. And as we gave examples earlier, spaces within a three-storey home are often extremely adaptable, meaning homeowners can take personalisation to the next level. So, with a range of benefits stemming from three-storey homes, are you ready to see how the three-storey life could work for you? Why not check out one of our show homes? To find out more, please visit the link in our description below.